Hello and welcome to this week's Thursday Stream Clinic. I'm Bianca. And
Hi,
here,
I'm Greg.
Yes, so for today, Greg prepared us some tips and tricks how to prepare for your production.
Yes, absolutely. How to prepare your devices before the production actually. So before live streaming, it's very important to prepare just yourself and your devices as well. How to do pro live streams with the Rock and Go. Tips and tricks, what you have to be very careful before going on live, of course. Or even if you are just doing a recorded video, you have to also be very careful and check everything before the production, of course. But let's see together.
Yes, let's jump in the app.
Here we are. Currently we are using an iPad, which is a studio device right now, but of course you can use your mobile devices as well to use a studio device. You can use iOS and Android or your macOS on the desktop version as well. So if you would like to be sure that everything is right before the going on live or do just a recorded video, first you have to check the orientation. So as you can see here, you can lock on and lock off the rotation, lock off and on. So it's very important, but we built in this solution in the Rock and Go. Once you just switch the projects and create a new one, here you can choose the orientation, horizontal or vertical. So just to be sure, in any other case, don't forget to change this one, unlock, and here you can choose between the vertical or horizontal, or you can do as well, if you just lock in, you can do it again, but it's very important to don't miss these things.
How do you ensure that you're not disturbed during your production? So would you actually put it in airplane mode, or what is the solution that you're using?
Yes, absolutely. So you have to do not so many, just a couple of things before going on live, or choose the recorded mode on the Rock and Go. And I will show you. Just here is this panel. You can see I choose the do not disturb mode on right now. So it's very, I think, an easy way to don't get any phone call or text messages during your production. But of course you can choose the airplane mode. There is one thing which is very important to check before you choose these options or the do not disturb mode. If you have the connection on the Wi-Fi. So if you choose the airplane mode, you can use Wi-Fi connection to connect your external camera sources into the Rock and Go. But if you just choose the do not disturb mode, you can use your 4G, 5G or LTE to share with your devices and link your devices together and use external camera sources with the Rock and Go.
And if I already have the production running, so the stream is on, and I forgot to put it in do not disturb, can I do it then as well?
No, actually. So that's a very important thing that you have to do before going on live or before the production. Just check the internet connection, check the do not disturb mode or the airplane mode, as I mentioned before, how to prepare yourself or prepare your devices to connect on the Wi-Fi connection or the 4G or 5G, and there is another thing. Here is the rotation lock and off solution. So I always choose the off, and just turn it off, because if I go here in the project session, you can choose vertical or horizontal video. Rock and Go can help you if you just forget to lock off and on this solution. Here, if you switch between the orientation vertical and horizontal, automatically will switch the screen on your device. And before going on live, you have to be sure that you have the enough storage on your device. If you just record a video or if you just do live and record, you have to be sure that you use the right way to charge your devices. I mean, You know, here you can see we have 88%. You know, it's enough to do, let's say, 2 hours live stream or recording. But if you can just use some other power banks or any other solutions, you know, it's good. Be sure that you have the right internet connection, that you just choose the do not disturb or the airplane mode. You switched between the lock and off solution in the rotation, and actually that's all. Open the rectangle, prepare your projects before going on live or just recording, and that's all. Thank you for your attention, guys. So if you have any questions or thoughts, or if you have a better tips and tricks, just please share with us and share with the community as well, of course, because we can discuss together how you can do pro videos with the rectangle and how you can use your mobile devices, Android and iOS, tablets or phones, doesn't matter, you can use the rectangle. Just you have to be sure how to use your device and how to use the rectangle software.
Thank you, Greg, and thank you so much for your attention, guys. See you next time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.